Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com. In this video we'll learn how to create objects in JavaScript. Okay, one of the most important concepts, creating an object. Alright. Creating an object requires two steps. Alright. First one is defining an object. Okay. And next is instantiating an object. Okay, instantiating the object. All right. So creating an object requires two steps: defining an object, instantiating the object. All right. So we'll first see defining an object. Okay. We'll see the syntax. Syntax to define an object is same as defining a regular function. Alright, it's like function, we give object name, okay, flower brackets open, flower brackets closed. Okay, the syntax is same as defining a function. Alright, okay, I just tried to save that. So the syntax is same as defining a regular function. Alright, and here of course we'll have parameters. Alright, okay, parameters, and these parameters are optional. Alright, so that's defining a function. Okay, and an object is defined but it doesn't do anything. Okay, I mean, after we define an object, it doesn't do anything. In order to use that object, we have to instantiate it. Okay, so let's see the syntax to instantiate an object. Okay, it's where we give some object, some name there, equal to new object name. All right, okay, so that's okay. I try to save again. So that's the syntax to instantiate an object. Okay, where some variable name here, okay, and new and object name. This object name should be same as this object name. Alright, and of course here parameters are optional. Okay, okay, so this is how you instantiate an object. Alright, first we defined an object here and we instantiated an object. Alright, so the object we created still doesn't do anything. Alright, there is something called properties of an object. Okay, and this properties of an object goes inside the flower brackets of an object function. Okay, this is our object function, and here the properties of an object are defined. Okay, and we use a special keyword called this, this, this dot some variable name. Okay, let's say variable name 1 equal to some x. Okay, let's say we have parameters x comma y here. All right, and x comma y. Okay, this variable name is x and this dot variable name 2 equal to y. Okay, so properties of an object goes inside this flower brackets of object function, and a special keyword called this is used to assign values to properties. Okay, we are passing some values here. Alright, x comma y are some values. Okay, now these parameters will hold those values. Okay, and here we are assigning values to these properties. To this variable name we are assigning value x, and to this variable name 2 we are assigning value y. Okay, using this keyword this, this keyword. Okay, so this is defining an object. Okay, these are properties of an object, and this is instantiating an object. Okay, in lame words people call this creating an object, but it's actually instantiating an object. Okay, now I'll explain you these three things using an example. All right, here let's say function turtle a comma b. Okay, those are parameters, flower brackets open, flower brackets closed. Okay, this is defining an object. All right, and let's instantiate an object where dad equals new turtle, turtle. Okay, this turtle should be same as this turtle. All right, and let's pass Smith comma 6 here. Okay, Smith is a string. Okay, and we are passing this string value to a now. Okay, so a is Smith and b is 6. All right, so this is instantiating an object. Instantiating an object. All right, so next comes the properties of an object function. Okay, so let's this dot name. Okay, name equal to a. So here a holds Smith, isn't it? So we are assigning Smith to this variable name using this property. Okay, now name holds Smith. Okay, the next is this dot age equal to b. Okay, so that's good. So here a is holding Smith, so we are assigning Smith to name. Okay, using this keyword, and b is holding value 6, and we are assigning that value 6 to this variable age using this keyword. All right, so now name is holding string Smith and age is holding value 6. All right, so that's defining an object. So these are properties of an object. Okay, properties of object. All right, name and age are two properties of an object. All right, so let's now use those properties. Okay, let's use this name and age. Result 1 equal to dad dot name. Okay, see here, this name is a property. Okay, this property, so this name and name should match. Okay, and here this is dad, this is an instance of an object turtle. Okay, dad is an instance of an object turtle, so this dad and this dad should match. Okay, and this name should match. All right, so this means dad dot name. Okay, this dad and this dad should match, and name should match. All right, result 2 is obvious, dad dot age. Again these words should match, dad and age and age. Okay, so now result will hold value Smith, and result 1 will hold value Smith, and result 2 will hold value 6. All right, let's print these results using document.write. all right, let's say result result 1. Let's concatenate the string is okay plus result 2. Okay, again concatenating the string years old. Okay, so the output will be, this is dad's name. Okay, dad's name is Smith is, this is 6. Okay, so Smith is 6 years old. I'll save this and I'll refresh it here. See here, Smith is 6 years old. All right, so that's defining a function. Okay, defining an object, defining an object and properties of an object, and we also learn how to instantiate an object. Okay, so this is the instance of an object. This dad is an instance of an object. All right, and this is how we pass values to our parameters in objects. All right, so I hope that's clear. I highly recommend you watch this video again and again and practice. Watch this video or any other video. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.